So guys, today I have some DIY Christmas hamper gifts. Now I'm not doing them in sort of like a hamper style, I'm just calling them hampers, but you can create it into hampers if you want to. So instead of creating a normal like sort of like hamper where you've got all the baskets and the shredded like paper, basically I've saved myself time with that. This year I was like, I don't really want to be bothered with like cellophane and ribbons. I thought, why not just a normal gift bag? Because sometimes buying the hampers, and obviously they do sell hampers with shredded paper, but the hampers themselves are like £5 for like just the basket with the shredded paper, and like yeah, that's just, I think they're £5. I think they're £5. Yeah, that's just too much for me, to be honest. This gift idea is themed around, it's for my daughter actually. And I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to be putting in here, guys. So obviously this is from Poundland. I saw they do Ariel as well. But this one is just, it's just so beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's just start putting things in. This year she really wanted to try out bath bombs. I feel like I just picked up bath fizzers. I thought they were bath bombs, but I feel like I picked up bath fizzers. It doesn't matter, she will try a bath bomb one day, but I don't know what's the difference between a bath bomb and a bath fizzer. I picked up these bath fizzers. This one's a unicorn one, so there you go, it's a unicorn one. This one is another bath fizzer, and yeah, it's the teacup and the teapot from Disney. Oh, themed, yes! Right, yes! They belong together actually. Someone came down the stairs, so I had to like scatter everything around. So I was telling you about the Disney Princess bath fizzer. I picked up Disney The Little Mermaid in Poundland too. She's never watched The Little Mermaid. I think she hasn't watched The Mermaid, Mulan, and the one with the dwarves. Yeah, I think she hasn't watched those three. But yeah, so I thought, I saw this in Poundland, I was like, it's so perfect for her. I picked up some M&Ms and Friends. These are £2 in Poundland, and you guys, I've got 3 of the kids these M&M packets, and my oldest, I got him the £3 one. It's like the big chocolate bars inside. They're very popular actually. Also I picked up for 50p body spray for her, just to put that in. Someone's coming down the stairs. I picked up She Is Obsessed with LOL. So one of her separate gifts that she's getting for herself this Christmas. She set herself to get an LOL toy of some sort. So we'll be down in Argos, Smithy's toy store. We'll be down there trying to find LOL for her. In Aldi, I picked this up for £1.49. LOL hand sanitizer. So that would be cute, because she's got like a Disney bag, Mickey Mouse bag, that she never like uses to go out. And so I thought, let me get her like a hand sanitizer. Then that way she's like got something to put in it. It's like she's got a bag there for decoration in her room. Like, so I thought it'd be good for her to carry when we're out. So yeah. So that's the video, guys. I know it was like a quick and simple video. It's like, if you don't have the money for like all the extra fancy like stuff, it's not necessary. Just find a really nice gift bag and put the gifts in there. Like seriously, I feel like the gift bag is just like perfect in itself, and it's gonna look really nice on the Christmas tree. So yeah, that was my DIY, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna do 3 more hamper videos. So yeah, and they're gonna be toddler ones, and then older boys as well. So stay tuned for that. Take care, guys.